Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth preview about this AI coding assistant for developer, which is Cursor AI and GitHub Copilot. So let's dive into it. So Cursor AI offer a built-in code editor with AI-driven code completion, debugging, and the test generation. It's great for developers who want all-in-one workspace where AI actively exists throughout the coding process. It supports multiple languages and integrates chat styles prompt for quick problem solving without switching tools. GitHub Copilot works directly inside the favorite IDE, providing a fast, accurate code suggestion as you type. It ideal for streamlining workflow, exploring new framework, and boosting productivity without changing your development setup. However, it doesn't offer the full suite development environment as Cursor AI. So here's a very conclusion about the two coding platform. So for a complete AI powered coding workspace, Cursor AI is the way to go. So for seamless AI suggestion inside your existing IDE, GitHub Copilot is better fit in that aspect. And that's it. So if you want to be more reviews and more into a comparison about AI assistant developer coders, kindly subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.